This is 1/4 inch inner diameter and 3/8 inch inner diameter. I'm going to be breaking up all these pipes into 5 groups. So I'm going to have 5 of the 3/8 and I'm going to have 10 of the 1/4 inch. Next step is to take this really small, this is not actually a wire, it's actually a tube, and then fill up these voids in these pipes. So I'm going to fill them with all these little tiny pipes where I got wire to if there's smaller holes that the pipes won't fit in. And then I'll solder that all together. And then it'll come up like so. And I'll start twisting them all together. Bit of a mess currently. I'm just taking one of these at a time and spiraling it as tight as I can up to the next ones. I'm going to do these in sets of 3. It'll make 3 branches.
Right here. Oh, you were looking at it? I wasn't looking at it.
Okay, so the whole thing's beginning to resemble a tree-like-ish formation. Couple problems. One, some of these holes are way too big, so I need these to be smaller. I'm probably going to cut it at an angle and then drill some more holes, which leads me to another problem, is I want to be able to just push a button like you do on a barbecuer and have the whole thing just light up after you turn the gas on. But it won't as it is, because the only place that the gas is going to be blowing out is the end of all these tubes. And they're not close enough to really ignite until there's a dangerous amount of gas floating around. So I got to fix that. Last problem, where these all are soldered into these elbows, they will not hold gas. There's a bunch of holes in it, so I got to figure that out. Otherwise this whole thing is just going to leak, and that part will be more fire than the rest of it. I feel like it's starting to look reasonable. Help me out, Bobby Duke. What does it need? In the next video, we'll be wrapping up this burning bush because I need to make way. I got to tile this. This is a water feature. I got to clean this pond. Might do kind of an aquascaping video on all this because it's not very good and it's dirty and it needs to be redone. I'm going to tile that, so look out for that video. Look out for the finish of the bush, and thanks for watching.